Hi, so today I'm going to be talking about how email works, how we send email, how we receive email. It's something that we use every day, whether it's just to check our inbox or actually send an email. But most people don't know how email actually works, so how does it work? For example, let's say that I'm on a clothing website and I want to see more designs by that clothing website. So I send them an email saying I'm interested in your products and I'd like to see more of your designs. So they say, okay, we'll send you an email with more design pictures. So how does this really work? What goes on when you send an email? Um, so when emailing, you have to recognize that you are contacting an email server. So if you're receiving email from, let's say, this clothing company to a particular email, for example, my email, dylandi@yahoo.com. And the clothing company is, for argument's sake, clothingweb at gmail.com. These emails are names that identify the mail server. So the yahoo.com has to have a mail server that I, Dylan DI, can connect to in order to retrieve my mail. Gmail.com, same deal, has to have a mail server that Clothing Web can connect to retrieve its mail. Most of the time, these servers are accessed using a web browser, so let's look at the process. First things first, when Clothing Web sends an email, is that there's an interaction between their computer and this gmail.com mail server, located somewhere on the internet. We don't know where, somewhere on the internet. So first, Clothing Web's computer has to tell Gmail that it wants to start a mail message to me at yahoo.com. This is the first thing that happens. It should be noted that these actions aren't what sends the email. This is just telling the server you want to send mail. So this part of the process uses a few protocols. One is called IMAP, IMAP, which stands for Internet Mail Access Protocol. So this IMAP allows someone trying to send mail, a client, to communicate with a mail server, to do things such as receive or send emails, amongst other things. So after the first step, Company Web telling Gmail that they want to start a mail message to me, it hasn't yet reached my mail server, so Gmail will use a protocol called SMTP, which stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. So this is what mail servers use to talk to one another, the SMTP protocol. So Company Web tells Gmail's mail server that it wants to send mail to me at yahoo.com. Gmail will start transmitting that message through the internet using that SMTP to the mail server that yahoo.com uses. Once the mail arrives at the Yahoo mail server, then my computer has to communicate with the server using the IMAP protocol to retrieve the mail or receive the mail. And the server will say something like, hey, you have mail from Company Web at Gmail. That's normally the little notification that pops up in your inbox that says, hey, you have a new message. And this is how protocols on the internet work together to do a task such as sending and receiving email, that we don't really think about this whole process using the IMAP protocol or the SMTP protocol. It's just a click of a button, we send an email or we receive an email in the same way. Thanks for watching.